If you own a pool, you already know the feeling. You spend time getting the water looking perfect, and the next day it's covered with leaves, sand, or whatever the wind decided to throw in overnight. That's where the WYBOT C2 comes in. The big question is whether it actually saves you time or just gives you another gadget to maintain. After looking at what it offers, I can see why so many people are talking about it. Right away, the cordless design makes life easier. No floating cable getting tangled around the cleaner, no dragging a long cord across the deck, and no fighting with storage afterward. Charge it, drop it into the pool, and it gets to work on its own. What impressed me most wasn't just that it cleans the floor. It also climbs the walls and works along the waterline, the places that usually take the longest if you're cleaning by hand. The dual scrubbing brushes keep loosening dirt while the strong suction pulls everything inside, from fine sand to larger leaves. The filtration system is another pleasant surprise. Most robotic pool cleaners in this range come with one filter. WYBOT gives you two. The standard 180 micron filter is what you'll probably use most of the time for everyday cleaning. Then there's the 10 micron ultra fine filter, which is designed for tiny particles that often leave pool water looking slightly cloudy. If you want the best performance from that finer filter, it's recommended to run the robot in turbo floor mode so water can move through it more efficiently. The app turned out to be more useful than I expected. Instead of simply pressing start and walking away, you can decide exactly how you want the cleaner to work. Maybe today only the floor needs attention. Maybe the walls are the problem. Or maybe you want the whole pool cleaned from bottom to waterline. Everything is easy to switch inside the app, and you can even schedule future cleaning sessions so the pool stays clean while you're busy, or even away from home. The navigation deserves some attention too. Older robotic cleaners often look like they're wandering around with no real plan. The WYBOT C2 takes a much more organized approach, following planned cleaning paths instead of relying on random movement. That means better coverage and less wasted battery. Battery life is solid as well. Depending on the cleaning mode and how much debris it's picking up, you can get as much as 3 hours of cleaning on one charge. For most residential pools, including larger in-ground pools up to around 2,260 square feet, that's plenty of time to finish the job. Once it's done, it parks itself near the edge of the pool, so pulling it out with the included hook is quick and easy. Cleaning the filter basket doesn't turn into another chore either. Pop open the lid, rinse everything with a hose, and it's ready for the next run. Of course, there are a couple of things worth knowing before you buy. If you skip installing the app, you'll miss many of the cleaner's best features because the onboard controls are fairly basic. And while the 10 micron filter does an excellent job catching extremely fine debris, it also fills up faster than the standard filter, so you'll spend a little more time rinsing it out after heavy cleaning sessions. Neither of those felt like major drawbacks to me. They're simply part of getting the most out of what the robot offers. So, is the WYBOT C2 the best cordless robotic pool cleaner? If you're looking for a robot that handles the floor, walls, and waterline, offers smart navigation, gives you flexible app controls, includes dual filtration, and has enough battery life to clean most home pools without constant attention, it's definitely one of the strongest options in its class. It combines features that are often reserved for more expensive models while keeping everyday use refreshingly simple. At the end of the day, that's really what matters. The less time you spend cleaning your pool, the more time you actually get to enjoy it. And that's exactly what the WYBOT C2 is built to do.